Hello everyone, it's been a very windy day today and the winds are going to stay with us for the next couple of days here, and they've actually been problematic today because they've been so strong. Take a look at wind gusts across the state. Pretty widespread strong gusts. A lot of us at least 40 miles per hour, as high as about 60 miles per hour for places like Cut Bank. So some seriously strong winds today. And as I said, that is causing some problems, mainly between Great Falls and Fort Benton. We've got pretty dry soil there. We don't have a lot of snow. In fact, we have no snow on the ground in that area. So the wind is picking up some of that topsoil, blowing it around and causing reduced visibility. So the road between Great Falls and Fort Benton has been closed because of that blowing and drifting dust. Now, we are currently under a high wind warning in that area. For actually, many of us are under that high wind warning. That's officially until 4 p.m. on Monday. It is possible that that might get extended. That's the National Weather Service's call, though, not mine. Now, looking ahead into tomorrow, still tracking strong winds, but we'll see kind of a shift in the wind here. Places like Helena, Great Falls, not going to be quite as windy. We're probably going to see peak gusts as about 30 miles per hour. The strongest winds on Tuesday are actually going to be shifting off to the east. Places like Jordan, Glasgow, Glendive, that's where we're going to see some really strong wind gusts, 40 to 50 mile per hour, with peak gusts actually as high as about 60 miles per hour in that area. So we've actually got a high wind watch that's going to be going into effect there for Tuesday. Again, same kind of threats that we've seen here. So potential for some blowing and drifting dust, and in general, just very strong winds. On top of that, with the strong winds in the forecast, we've actually got a red flag warning, a fire weather warning in effect for parts of that area as well. With those strong winds, relatively warm temperatures in dry air, fire danger is actually going to be pretty high in that shaded area, kind of right around the Missouri River as it heads toward Fort Peck Lake. So high fire danger in addition to the winds. Now, if we step a little further into the forecast, we see those strong winds shift back off to the west, kind of where they were today. So for Wednesday, the winds are going to be picking up for places like Great Falls and Helena once again, including that Highway 87 stretch. So we could see additional road closures and additional issues on Wednesday as these winds get strong in that area once again. Let's talk a little bit about temperatures too. Of course, strong winds generally mean mild temperatures for us, and that's going to be the case through the night tonight into the day tomorrow. Most of us are staying in the 30s overnight tonight, so with the winds relatively breezy, it's going to be a mild night. It's going to be a mild day on Tuesday as well. Tomorrow's high temperatures, 40s and 50s all across the region. Actually a good amount of sunshine in the forecast. So for places like Great Falls and Helena, where the wind gusts are only about 30 miles per hour, it's going to be a decent day. Farther off to the east, not as nice. Now, through the night tonight, we are going to pick up a little bit of mountain snow along the divide, and for places like the Little Belt, even a couple showers at the lower elevations, not out of the question. But you do see we're clearing up as we head through the day, so actually a good amount of sunshine for our Tuesday. So things aren't looking too bad off to the west. Again, to the east, it's going to be very windy and also very dry, so not as nice of a day there. Thanks for watching.